Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of V as in vase. Now we will see some of the examples. V says V as in van, V says V as in vein, V says V as in vase, V says V as in vent, V says V as in wine, V says V as in violin, V says V as in cave, V says V as in cove, V says V as in dove, V says V as in five, V says V as in glove, V says V as in stove. Now we will see the initial position. V says V as in van, van. V says V as in vein, vein. V says V as in vase, vase. V says V as in vent, went. V says V as in wine, wine. V says V as in violin, violin. Middle position and final positions. V says V as in cave, cave. V says V as in cove, cove. V says V as in dove, dove. V says V as in five, five. V says V as in gloves, gloves. V says V as in stove, stove.